Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. This is your Nair sir, and here today we are talking about algebraic expression, continuity of algebraic expression. But now, why did I say in my previous video that this lesson is for students who are going to pursue mathematics as their subject? The reason behind this is, if you look at this, 1 minute. Yeah, if you look at this particular thing, there is a new word which is coming, which is called as function table. I think okay, here, let me put this. Okay, this is a function table, and that is the reason when you will be going in CBSE, when you are going to grade 11th of mathematics, this word will come very frequently to you. What we are going to do is that we are going to exactly do the same whatever we have done. Only thing is the terminology is changing, upgrading. Okay, now let's look at what kind of questions can be asked across. Okay, here I have got a worksheet, and this is what you need to solve, and I am going to solve one worksheet for you. Let's see how it is. Now remember one thing, kids, when you are doing this part of mathematics, what you need to be very careful is about the integer. Now I have got z, the value of z is equal to -2. I need to substitute. I have told you one thing, when I am substituting, I am going to put it in a bracket. So it is -2 the whole square -2 plus 3. Okay, let me put this in a bracket. Now -2 can be written as -2 into -2, and this will be written as, now if I open this bracket, this will become -2 plus 3, 2 2s are 4, minus plus, I got it, bracket -2 plus 3, different sign, subtract and put the sign of a bigger number, subtraction, I get 1, 3 is a bigger number, I put as 1. Positive is positive, 4 ones is 4. So my answer over here would be 4. Similarly, if I want, I can even, let me see, I've got an eraser. Yes, I've got, no, I need an eraser. This video will be slightly bigger. If I, let's say that I'm erasing this off, okay, let me erase everything. Now those kids who have understood it, they can walk out from here, or else if you want to know more detail, let's put z is equal to, I am not going to take negative number now, I am going to take the positive number 2. 2. What will happen? 1 is 2 the whole square, bracket 2 plus 3. 2 2s are 4, bracket 2 plus 3 is 5, I get 20 as answer. So this is my answer. Now look at this, when I substitute z is equal to -2, I get 4, when I substitute z is equal to 2, I get 2, and this is what you are learning, is learning as a function table. Mathematics is a continuity subject, remember one thing, and this particular part of mathematics is a fundamental concept which needs to be known very clearly. Hope you have liked it. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, that will help me a lot, will motivate me to make more videos for you. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.